Alright, so hey guys. So Jones asked me to show y'all how to copy content. If I wanted to copy something from, let's say, I wanted to copy it from Jones' page. Okay, I would go to my personal page. I would have that open. Okay, and then let's say that I wanted to copy something from Jones. So what I would do is I would go into this little wheel that says Admin Tools up in the right-hand corner. I'm going to hit Import, Export, Copy Components. And then if I wanted to copy it from Jones, or if I wanted to just copy it from, this is actually going to copy from the Algebra 2 page. So I'm going to say 850 Algebra 2, and it's going to be this one right here. Sorry, Ben is playing with the squeak. Okay, so I would click on this. I hit Add Selected. And then I'm going to hit Select Components because I only want to pull certain numbers. Yes, I've already copied from it, but for all intents and purposes. I'm going to scroll down to wherever you want to copy from. So, like, let's say that I want to copy the content. But I don't want to copy all the items. I want to copy selected items. Okay, I'm going to hit Continue. And then I'm going to go into spring semester, and I can pick whatever I want to copy. So if I wanted to copy all the inferences and conclusions from data, I can hit Continue. And then I can tell it when I want it to copy, and then I'm going to hit Finish. Now, I'm not going to hit Finish right now because it will copy all of that material. I don't even know what content that is. But once you hit Finish, there'll be like a little green thing that says, oh, copying, yay. And then you should be able to go into content and find this material already posted in there. So hopefully this helps. Let me know if you've got other questions. But that is how you copy from another person's eClass page.